Welcome to the world of LIUGONG's E-Series excavators. LIUGONG's E-Series excavators are designed to provide world-class efficiency and productivity. Powerful and exceptional efficiency. LIUGONG strategic partner Cummins provides a custom-designed engine for LIUGONG's E-Series excavators, providing an inline 6-cylinder engine for greater and more powerful torque. The hydraulic pump is optimized to reduce noise, minimize leakage, and improve efficiency. The new main control valve is designed for minimal pressure loss and maximum energy efficiency. With breakout force increased by 15%, the E-Series delivers the high productivity you require. With the intelligent analysis of its power characteristic curves, the advanced IPC system balances engine, hydraulic components, and electric signal to ensure lower fuel consumption and higher efficiency. Overall efficiency has increased 15%, giving you everything you need to get the job done. Energy saving. The color LCD monitor with 6 different working modes gives you the convenience to select and switch between working modes, increasing productivity and lessen fuel consumption. With its auto idle function, the E-Series excavator automatically reduces engine RPM by 100 RPM in 1 second and to 1250 RPM in 3 seconds. Engine speed returns to the previous throttle speed when the hydraulic signal is detected again. All reducing fuel consumption is up to 8%. Easy to operate. The new main control valve makes for precise operation. Optimizing the piping arrangement and the hydraulic circuits has led to faster, smoother motion, and the swing torque increased 20%. By switching the optional control patterns, the operator can easily choose between left-hand or right-hand controls. LIUGONG E-Series excavators give you the respectiveness and control you need. Reliable and durable. LIUGONG has carefully designed the overall layout of its E-Series excavators. The boom and arm structures are designed with large cross-sectional support and incorporates one-piece steel castings, ensuring long-term durability and high resistance to bending and torsional stress. The wear resistance of its general duty, heavy duty, and rock duty buckets give you solid performance in a wide variety of materials and extend the service life. Swing torque has improved by 20%, a result of heightening the side rails and thickening the bottom plate. The one-piece bottom design and the heightened cross-section of the main underframe led to a 20% improvement in passing ability. LIUGONG E-Series excavators ensure long-term reliability and durability in the toughest conditions. All-around safety. E-Series excavators have ROP certified cabs for an impressively spacious and comfortable ride, reducing operator fatigue. With multi-outlet air conditioning, the cab temperature is comfortable year-round. Noise is reduced by 2 to 5 decibels. Vibration is reduced by 92%. and machine operation stability is improved by 20%. LIUGONG E-Series excavators are comfortable and safe. Environmentally friendly. LIUGONG E-Series excavators can be equipped with engines that meet emission standards around the world, including for European and North American markets. Easy to maintain. Major components and service points are easily reached from ground level. The LIUGONG Equipment Intelligence System monitors real-time data for customers. The E-Series excavator ensures easy maintenance. The LIUGONG E-Series is the excavator you need and want. Tough world, tough equipment.